It is February the 4th, almost 80 degrees outside. It's wonderful. It totally feels like spring. As soon as the kids finished with their schoolwork today, they went outside. I also plan to go outside, but wouldn't you know, on the most beautiful day of the year so far, I got one of those crazy headaches. I started seeing the bright lights and the squiggly lines and all that, and I had to lay down and let that pass a little bit. I took something for it because I was like, I am not today. I am not gonna have a terrible headache. So I took something for it and laid down for a little bit, and thankfully I'm feeling better now. Since it is such a beautiful day, and I didn't make this dessert this past Sunday. I had planned this for Sunday dessert, but didn't end up making it. We're gonna make it today. It's a little bit of a springy dessert, spring preview since it's feeling springy outside. It's called Pineapple Dream. The first thing I need to do is soften my cream cheese. I'm just gonna do it in the microwave. I should have set it out earlier, but I forgot. Didn't think about it in time, so we'll soften it on defrost in the microwave. We just need a whole 8-ounce block. I'm also making the ham tonight that I was gonna make on Sunday. I forgot what we did end up eating for Sunday supper, but I had planned the ham and all for Sunday, and we ended up doing something else. So we're having Sunday supper on a Tuesday. Sunday supper and dessert. The oven's ready for the ham, so while that cream cheese is softening, we'll go ahead and get the ham in the oven. Let's grab this for the pineapple dream. And just sit the ham right down in there. It's just me, Titus, and the 3 younger kids that are gonna be here for supper tonight. I'm still gonna go ahead and make this whole little pack of ham because whatever's left, we'll eat it for lunch tomorrow. I'm just gonna put a little butter in here with it. To wrap it up. I think I'll just do some kind of beans, and I have some corn on the cob in there. Okay, cream cheese is ready. Yeah, I've got a bunch of cans of pintos. We'll do pinto beans. Started to make those ones that we got from Cheryl's Produce the other day, but those will take a little bit longer than I need them to take, even in the Instant Pot right now. So we'll just do the canned pintos. There's our cream cheese. We need 2 tablespoons of sugar. We're gonna mix those together. While this is mixing, I'm gonna mix this box of instant vanilla pudding with 1 cup of milk. Back over here, we're putting in 1 cup of this thawed whipped topping. We're gonna mix that in. Mine was still just a tad frozen in the middle, but it'll be okay. It'll mix in fine. All right, over here in the mini food chopper, we're gonna put some of this pineapple. I just have some fresh pineapple right here. About that much should be good. Now we're ready to layer the pineapple dream. I have some of these chessmen butter cookies. You can use pretty much whatever kind of cookie you want to use. These are one of my favorites. You just need a layer of them in the bottom. Oh, that ham is already smelling good. There we go. Now we're going to take a few of them and crush up to put on top at the end. So we'll just sit those over to the side. Coming in? Thirsty?
Yeah. I always get thirsty when I run up trees.
Yeah, you've been running up trees out there?
Yeah, but I almost ran up the big tree.
Oh, man. There you go.
Bye.
Bye. Sit right there with Jonah. We're going to start by putting the cream cheese mixture on top of the cookies. This is almost like a Paula Deen's Not Your Mama's Banana Pudding, but it's a pineapple thing instead of bananas. Especially using the chessmen cookies, because that's what that recipe uses, you know. This will be a perfect Easter dessert or Mother's Day. This pretty day gets you thinking about spring. Okay, there's that layer. Now we're gonna put the pudding layer. Now we'll put our crushed pineapple. And you can use canned crushed pineapple. I just had that fresh pineapple in there, so that's why I use that, but you can use canned. I have some of the kids who don't like, they like pineapple flavor, but they don't like the actual pineapple. So I'm not gonna put it on this side, I'm just gonna put it over here. It's kind of the same way they are with coconut. So we'll just put the pineapple on this side. I think it would be good if you wanted pineapple all throughout it, to mix that with the cream cheese mixture. Just, you know, mix the pineapple up in there. Now we just put the rest of the whipped topping on here. I put it in the microwave on defrost for just a few seconds to finish thawing it out there. I almost did it a little too long, didn't I? Okay, and then the last thing we're gonna do is crush up some of these cookies to go on top. You can pretty much change the fruit and use any kind of fruit for this dessert. Since we used vanilla pudding, it can go with, you know, any kind of fruit. If you made a banana one, you could use banana pudding if you wanted to. We would probably still use vanilla. We like the vanilla pudding better. Do strawberry, blueberry, coconut. Coconut would be good. One more cookie, and I think that'll be good. We're just gonna cover it with some plastic wrap and put it in the refrigerator. It just needs to be in there for at least a couple of hours. The longer the better though. We're gonna make some of these baby carrots too. I have this big, I think it's 2-pound bag of carrots. So we're gonna make some of these to have with the ham, corn, and pinto beans.
I think I know what a carrot is. Let me show you what this tastes like. Try that. Huh? Yeah! You got another one, Susie?
Pineapple dream.
Oh, this is a dream. Folks, I just came out of a dream.
Ice cream.
We got up early today and I've been hauling cows and working horses, and I took me a nap, so.
Dreamy. It tastes like,
Really good.
it's like a pineapple pudding, isn't it? Like a banana pudding, but with pineapple.
I'll transform this
like
at
that.
1 second again.
He's transforming that at 1 second, y'all. He's showing us. First he was at 3 seconds, wasn't he? Now he's down
3
to.
minutes.
Oh, okay. Wow.
Woo! That's really good, y'all.
Lambert is back. He needs more mending. We've already patched him up here before. Yeah. And here before. Now his tail needs attention.
Surgery.
Yeah. Is Lambert who you sleep with every night? Okay, this
He's
is
a
my.
big squishmallow.
Yeah. We need some brownish colored thread for Lambert, but he just gets different colors. That makes him unique.
Yeah. Good night. See y'all tomorrow.